Dear colleagues, let us learn how to add a teacher text to a content. Now the purpose of adding a teacher text to content is to help the teacher keep a track on what he or she would be saying while delivering the live class. So basically the teacher has the freedom to add his or her script, and the same will be displayed on the script monitor present inside the studio. Now for that, we'll be first clicking on the tab called Teacher Text Creator. That will bring us to a screen like this. You see on the left yellow button here, we'll click on that and we'll search for the file on which we need to add the teacher text on. Now, I would want to add teacher text to a file name Phrasal Verbs in English. I'll click on that. And now I'll wait for the file to load. Okay, you have two options here, view and view and edit. We'll click on the right option, view and edit. And now my file is here. On the right of your screen, you see three options, previous frame, current frame and next frame. We'll see how each of this box is useful in the upcoming slides. Let us first start. So, whenever we start a live class, remember what is the first thing every teacher would do? We would first greet the students, wish them and welcome them all. How do we do that? Of course, what is the first thing we say? Good morning, students. Welcome to Tele-Education class, right? The same we would be typing here. Now this script is your own script. This won't be present here inside the content, right? So that you will be adding here. Good morning students, welcome to Tele-Education class. This is how you will be beginning the class with. After that, we'll click. What did you notice? The text that I have written in this box, that is in the current frame, is immediately now shifted to the previous frame box. Now, frame P2. This is my current frame. What do we see? Good morning, ma'am. May I help you? Now, suppose you are assuming, how would you be describing this frame to the students? Normally, what we would do? How do we explain it to the students? We would say, hello students. Now what do you see? We see two people having a conversation. A shopkeeper and a lady. So the same thing you would be writing here as a script. How do I write it? It is up to you. Students conversation. Okay. A shopkeeper and a lady. Alright. So this is what you would be asking the students or telling the students. And immediately you can add it as a current frame. Right. Now what is the purpose of the next frame? Now let's see. Suppose next frame or current frame or previous frame is basically the synchronization of the class delivery. Now see here, the lady have responded saying, yes, I'm looking for a pair of shoes. So now you would be asking the students, so students, what or how do you think the shopkeeper have responded? Now this is basically the question that you will be asking the students during the class. You ask the question and then when you click, what does the next frame says? Okay, what size do you need? So when the lady responded saying, I'm looking for a pair of shoes, immediately the first question which the shopkeeper would ask is, which pair of shoes you need, or what is your size, or which color. So basically you can keep adding the script as per your wish. However, you would be wanting to deliver the live class. Okay. Now, let's learn how to attach MCQ to the content. Now, for that, I will be showing you in the same frames. Okay, in the same file. Now, for example, how do you add an MCQ? For that, you need to first search for something called an MCQ slot. Now, what is the MCQ slot? It's basically the clicker image that you see in your frame. Here, we see a clicker image. This is the MCQ slot, right? Now, remember the most crucial thing here is we attach MCQ only on the second click. That means this is the first click. This is the second click. Now here we will be attaching the MCQ. For that, the first thing you would notice is something, a grey button mentioned as Q. We'll click on the Q and that will give a blank space. What do we insert in that blank space? We would insert a Q set number here. Now, if you're wondering what is a Q set number, we already know the Q set number is the number we get when we upload MCQs in the question bank. Now, for this frame, I have a Q set number 48154. We write the question number, that is the Q set number, and we click on the right option here. Immediately after attaching, you see a green color appears. What is the green color? This is the confirmation that now the MCQ is attached to the file. Similarly, we go ahead and search for other MCQ clicker slots. Wherever you see an MCQ clicker slot, you click on the Q, type the question number, press or in the attached symbol here. For example, I need to give or attach another MCQ. I'll type the MCQ number, click here and wait for the Q to go green. Thank you.